Hi guys, I am here to do our new releases video. I'm going to be rebooting these on my channel. We are reopening the shop tomorrow, August 3rd. Usually these videos are going to be on Fridays and new releases will be on Fridays, but this week I ended up bumping it one day just to be able to bump up a lot of kits and things for you guys. So I want to go through those with you, a little bit of housekeeping on our shop. We have been just doing removable matte. We are now adding glossy to the mix, so I have taken all items down from my shop and kind of started back up with ready to ship for both those options. You will notice that these items will be in the shop along with our Chels character. She right now is in stock for removable matte. The glossies are all out of stock right now because I haven't had the chance to stock her. I did also change our listing photos a little bit just to be a little bit more clean. Hopefully you guys like those, along with switching our rewards program. Don't worry if you have Bella Bucks currently, they are still in your account. I manually transferred all of the points, so you still have your Bella Bucks. You can still spend them, no problems. You log in the exact same way. Really nothing has changed on your end. I just kind of wanted to mention it because it does look a little bit different. Still the button in the bottom right hand side though where it says rewards. The ways to spend and earn have changed slightly, but honestly for your benefit, because I decreased the amount of points needed and put more rewards on there, so like more options. So now you can use Bella Bucks for a $5 off, a $10 off, a $25 off, a $50 off, along with a 25% off and a 50% off. I think those are the options. And then, same thing, it's one Bella Buck per dollar you spend, and you get some points on your birthday. You get points for sharing on Facebook, for liking us, for following us on Instagram, for setting up an account, all those basic things. So go check it out. I'm probably forgetting a few things, but I needed to just get that housekeeping out of the way. Know that our glossy option is our premium option, so the print quality is much better, but that does come at a cost from material standpoint. So they are a little bit more expensive. You'll notice in our kits, they are $15 for removable matte kits and $18 for glossy kits. So I just wanted to be upfront with you guys about that. If you are a matte lover, don't worry, removable matte is staying around. I'm just adding another option because I really have been loving the richness and pigmentation of the glossy paper. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first item that's listed in our shop is this set of kit labels, and you'll notice these were mentioned in my kit organization video the other day. These come in a 3-set that starts from July 1st, 2019 all the way through October 17th, 2021. So you get a lot of kit labels in this set. I think it is 120 weeks worth basically, and these are going to be on removable matte only just because of what they are, and they are going to be $8. This weekend until Sunday at midnight Pacific Standard Time, the shop is going to be having a coupon code, and it'll be mentioned in the banner at the top of the site, but it is reopening, and that code will get you 50% off. So you can get these for only $4 this weekend. I'm going to show you, just so you're aware, a little snapshot of the difference in print quality for removable matte and glossy. Then I'm going to go through the glossy. I'm going to go through it pretty intensively to show you the new format, and then I'm going to go ahead and just flip through the glossies for the rest of the kits. So as you can tell, the top is the glossy, the bottom is the removable matte, and the things that I look for when I'm looking at these in comparison are things like the teacher socks, the pencil socks, and how deep of a color this yellow is, or the yellow and blue books, the black on this board that she's holding, the richness of the red, the maroon red that's on the wine bottle, the apple globe, the skirt. Those things to me are just very rich and pigmented in color. Like I will say over and over again, our removable matte is great quality. We print on a high quality commercial grade printer, but the glossy, our printer just does this better than I could have asked for. And like I said, we've always had removable matte. We took away glossy years ago, and I've switched printers since then, and that's the main reason I brought it back, because this looks better than anything else I've printed on my printer. Better than premium matte, I mean, honestly, this is the best print quality I think I've ever been able to get. And so I just needed to give you guys that option. And if you can spend the extra $3, and, you know, when we're 50% off, it's even less. It's only, you know, only $1.50 extra basically, then, I mean, I would say go for it. So I think that's all I'm going to say about, you know, the quality difference. I'll show you them. I'll continue to show you the, you know, the color difference. But I would say, you know, if you're a matte girl, stick to your matte. If you like glossy or you're looking for a higher quality finish, then I would definitely go for the glossy. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in here and go through our new format. So our new format is 6 sheets of our either glossy removable matte and 2 sheets of our foil overlays. We choose the foil overlays for you. There isn't an option at this point. That might be something that we could talk about in the future, but as of now, being 100% ready to ship and having a day job as a teacher, I need that to be all pre-done. So I'm looking at the art and deciding the foil. If I have a hard time, I will talk to my PR team or post it on Instagram and do a poll. So always be on the lookout there. But as you can tell with this art, I see specks of gold glitter in it. So for me as a designer, I'm thinking gold foil. So that's what we did for this kit. Our first sheet has the 8 full boxes. Our second sheet is our sidebar items along with our small boxes is kind of what I'm thinking the sheet could be called. And so we have a weekly checker, 2 daily checkers, another daily checker, but this one has a total. So you could use this for sleep, spending, steps, calories. I mean, it goes on and on. I mean, you know, pages you read in a book or hours of studying, hours of working, whatever. And then we have 4 bow dividers, these 4 rounded smaller boxes for squared off smaller boxes, these 8 skinny appointment labels, these 8 fancy boxes or fancy labels, and then these 4 bubble boxes. The next page has your 7 glitter headers, 2 pattern washies, and your 3 solid washi strips, and then your deco. The next page has some date covers, our date cover swatches, movie marquee, our 4 flags, and our 4 appointment labels. We have changed our bottom washi to be 1 solid and 1 pattern, which it was before, but now they are both 15 millimeters. So you'll see with our overlays, we have a bow overlay that's 15 millimeter, and you can choose which one you'd like to put it over. And a lot of shops are doing 15 millimeter overlays, so you'd be able to mix and match from other shops if you'd like. Then this page is our bigger boxes, so we have 8 half boxes, 8 rounded quarter boxes, and 8 squared off third-ish boxes. The last page has your 3 tall fashion girls and your 8 checklist boxes. You will notice that we've changed our checklist to just be the 3 heart checklist. Between all of the boxes you have in this kit, you definitely still have enough to stretch this to be very no white space, because you do have, you know, your washi strips along with almost, I forget what the exact math was, but about 8 boxes per day you can use. So if you're using all the labels, you can still get that no white space feel. Then for the overlays, I'm going to show you with the date covers, because this page kind of confuses people the most, I think. These are where you overlay the days of the week on top of these paint strokes, and I always put it in order for you, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's how it's designed to be. And then you have your date numbers, you have 2 full box overlays, a rescheduled, a canceled, you have 4 corners here, another 4 here, another 4 here, another 4 here, along with these 2, I almost called them like pencils, but 2 like lines, and those are cut out thin like a line, and you can just overlay them on a full box or a half box or sidebar, wherever you want it to be, to give it a little bit more foil. Then this falling bows, and this is just a strip like that, your weekend banner, and then your 15 millimeter bows washi. Then the second page is your glitter header overlays and your bow header overlays, and then all your little functional icons. So I give you a mix of your header overlays and your bows. You get 21 of the pattern, the confetti pattern, and then you get 7 of the bows. So if you wanted to do, you know, 3 glitter headers per day, you could use all these, and you could do bows on the sidebar, or you could do 1 bow a day, the other 2 these, and then a couple bows on the sidebar along with a couple glitter. It kind of just depends on what look you're going for, but I gave you a mix so you can do either or. And then you will notice that we nixed our littles, and so basically I condensed those into our foiled icons. So you can make littles out of all of our, especially our small labels page, and make your own littles using our foiled overlays. And I did give you guys 8 forks. You have 3 Instagram little cameras, so I was thinking, you know, your weekly spread, your midweek spread, and maybe a Happy Mail. You have plenty of those, and you will have all these TVs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different TVs, so definitely enough to mark all your shows, and then all of your various icons. So you have, you know, an envelope, a coffee, cash register, YouTube, a computer, money, Amazon, birthday. I mean, there's so many that I'm not even going to go over all of them, but these are the overlays that are included with every single kit. And like I said, I choose the foil color, and this time I chose gold. So that was our first kit. That was our kit called Teach. So I'm just going to go ahead and put all of this back. Oh, wrong page. In order. Sorry, I'm a little OCD with that kind of stuff. I like it to be in the right order before I put it away in my stash. Okay, next I'm just going to go through the rest a little bit quicker. So the next kit is kind of high school more themed. If you don't know, I don't know if I even mentioned that, I'm a teacher. So this is very me and elementary in my mind. And so that's why I designed this. The next kit is called As If, and it's definitely more of a high school vibe. And this is the Glossy, and the bottom is the removable mat. And you can see it in that yellow especially. It's definitely a big difference. So I'm going to go through the Glossy. This is another gold. I'm sorry. I lean toward gold, and if it has gold accents like the gold on the apple, the gold on the buckles, things like that, I will just choose, you know, that just makes sense to me. So this is As If. I'm just going to go ahead and go through this. I love the color scheme of this. It's definitely a little bit different. I only did 2 tall fashion boxes for this one because I didn't want to repeat this too much, so I wanted to give you, you know, these 4 different hair tone and skin tone options. And so I did that, and then I also put in an extra full box with this girl by her locker, and then this decorative half box that says ugh. And then the gold overlays, just the same as the last ones. Next is going to be a kit called NCU, and I called it NCU just because that's where I went to college, and it's a very college-inspired kit. So I thought, why would I name it after my alma mater? So I have the removable mat and the Glossy, and here's a big, I don't know if you're going to be able to, I have to take it out of its packaging for you to really be able to fully see that. I'm trying to show you the blue on this sweater is a good representation of removable matte and Glossy, so it's just a lot more rich in pigment. Hopefully that's picking up. So I am going to be using Glossy kits mostly, I think. That's where I'm leaning. So this one is another gold one. Gold glitter throughout, guys. It's happening. I'm sorry. So this one is called NCU. The colors of this are very pretty. And I love the fashion girls for this one. I especially love her ombre hair. I think it's so pretty. And the gold foil overlays. So that is NCU. And then the next kit is the first of our, actually let's do, first of our fall kits. And this one, if any other kit you're not seeing the color difference, this one, I don't, if you don't see it, then I don't know. But This was one of the first things I printed on the Glossy, and it really blows me away with the color payoff, especially this scene. So, Glossy removable matte. It is so beautiful. I love, love, love the colors of this kit and how bright it is. I love the orange. I'm not an orange person usually, but this is just gorgeous. So this one is called Hike. And I love this so much. This is a rose gold kit. I thought the rose gold would tie in with like the coppery rose gold kind of look for fall. I love this yellow color. I mean, it is picking up. It is so beautiful. I'm looking at it on my viewfinder, and it's definitely picking up the colors great. So these are the Fashion Girl boxes. Again, I only did 2, and then I did the alternate skin tone, and then this decorative half box along with another bow with a pattern bow, and then the rose gold overlays. So that was Hike. And then I have one more collection that's premiering tomorrow, and that is called HGTV. My husband and I are selling our house and buying our next home, and we do have some projects to do. So I needed to design this for myself mostly, but I love the color scheme. I thought it was beautiful. So we have the matte, and then I'm going to go through the glossy. So these are the boxes. I called it HGTV because I probably watched more episodes of HGTV in my lifetime than most. I know I have than most average people. It's just my mom loved that show, so we watch it together, and this is just very quintessential HGTV. And this is basically, I feel like, what my life has been looking like and what it's going to look like for like the next month. We just were choosing carpets this week, so this kind of situation, it has been me. We're going to be ripping out the carpets, so this is definitely applying. We're going to be painting. I'm hoping I can take some beautiful before and after. So I really love this kit. I love the colors. That bright yellow is really pretty, and I love it for August and beginning of fall. So here is the kit, and I love the Fashion Girl boxes for this one. 3 different Fashion Girls, and then this one is paired with silver. As of now, all we have for foil is silver, rose gold, and gold. I'm hoping to add more options as time goes on. Definitely leave me a comment below if there's a specific foil that you would love to see in my shop. If, you know, besides those ones. But that is all of the new releases I have for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you will go check out the shop tomorrow when we reopen. I'm filming this the night before, so I guess today, if you're seeing this the day this goes live. But we have all of these awesome new releases. We'll have plenty more coming if you're looking just for more generic fall and Halloween. I'm releasing those first, fall and Halloween kits next week. So be on the lookout. I'm also working on our multicolor collection and stocking the glossy Chasing Chels character. If you're looking for those, be staying tuned on my Instagram and my Facebook group. Everything is linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to use the code REOPENING for 50% off this weekend until Sunday, August 4th at midnight Pacific Standard Time. If you miss out, don't worry, there'll be more sales in the future, but I just kind of wanted to say thank you to my customers for being patient with me as I've been on a short hiatus this summer. So, hope to see you guys in my next one, and talk to you later. Bye.